Okay, the car has been sitting for like 25 minutes. And I'm going to start it up. What you'll hear is, sounds like a flooded cylinder. Or maybe a weak pump. I don't know, but all I can say is when it's warm and you let it sit for a while, as in 30 minutes or more, it starts up and it takes a long time. If you, say, run in the store for like 3 minutes, it's not going to do that. In the morning, it doesn't really take 3 or 4 seconds to start and run. It pretty much starts instantly, so let's check. I'm going to start the car. There we go. We start it. Then I'll let it drop down to idle. You can't really see it because the sun is really shining, but car is almost cold. And that's about it. So I'll give it a little gas here. Take it to 2,000. I'll go over. Take it to 3 grand. And that's really about it. And I'll turn off the car here.